right, you guys, taking the BougeRV on a daily trip. Let's see how it goes. BougeRV 23 quart. We're gonna be running our BougeRV 716 solar power station. Let's grab it. This is where I like to set it so I can control it. First thing we're gonna hook up before I even get started for my day is my fan. Okay. Now I just plug my lighter, the DC port into the DC, and as you see, we got power. All right, let's get my day started. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I got the BougeRV and I'm heading out, about to start my route. Right now, I'm pulling 53 watts with the fan going on high and my BougeRV 23 quart refrigerator, freezer, cooler. So let's see how this day ends up. All right, you guys, so the verdict is out. I was running the BougeRV refrigerator, freezer, and I was running the little fan right here while charging my phone, my earbuds, and one of my power banks. And it did a great job. It actually puts out more power, and I'm gonna have to do more research, but it actually puts out more power than my Jackery 500. So there you go, you guys. I'm gonna take her home and get her plugged in, and we'll go from there. And right there, that's worth everything to me. No more ice. I don't got to worry about whether my ice is melting, and I don't have to eat a soggy sandwich. That's important with what I do for a living. Nothing worse than reaching down in a cooler full of ice and grabbing your soggy lunch. And since I'm so far away from the house and any kind of power outlet, we're going to be using our BougeRV 716 power solar generator to power up our pump so I can get this thing water. Let's give it a shot. All right, here's our extension cord coming off the pump. Plug that in, and let's see if we can get some kind of water spitting out here. We had 100%. Oh, there's the water. That's the stuff. All right, how many watts are we pulling? 167 watts. 174, 173 watts off the BougeRV. That's pulling a 1/4 horsepower pump, sump pump, out of the lake. All right, this is what I really want to try out right here. Oh, look at there. Running my clippers. It's only pulling 5 watts. Okay, let's give it a shot. Get that kitchen. All right. Hey. Still okay. Could this be what I think it is? I think it is. I think we need to set it up. That's right, new BougeRV solar panels. Let's get them started. Okay, We got our BougeRV solar panels. Okay, let's check them out here. Magnetized opening. No buttons, no Velcro. So that's always a plus. But as you can see, fold up 100-watt panels. Retractable legs on the back. Let's give them a shot. Let's open them up and see what we got. Okay, warranty, instructions, extra cable, and your 8 millimeter barrel plug. All right, we're just gonna get them plugged in here. That's simple. Open them up. Let's face them towards the sun. Getting a little juice. Extend our legs. Let's plug it up. Let me get out the shade. Let's see what we got. 63 watts right there. We got a little shade on the panel, but that's not bad, just trying it out. 100-watt panel.
Hey, babe, you ready for dinner?
Yes. Hey. Check it out, the new panels. So what you think?
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Great for movie night.
Movie night. Excellent. Y'all be quiet. It's my favorite part. Bravo,
the Sugar Cane Pimp.
He like a superhero. When I grow up, I want to be just like him.
Boy, shut up. Y'all hold it down. This is my favorite part. Hold it down. Here we go. Wham! Hiya!
Instant Garden.
Okay, you guys. I hope you liked the video. I want to let you know I had fun making it, but please get in contact with me or go over to BougeRV.com, and you can still use the discount codes. I'll put them down below, and that'll save you a lot of money at BougeRV.com. The new 100-watt foldable BougeRV panels and the BougeRV 716 solar power generator. Thank you guys for watching. Leadfarmer73, I love you, and I'm out. I want to give a special thanks to BougeRV for letting me represent the product. I really appreciate it. Much thanks, and thank you to all my subscribers and all my supporters. All right, love you, and I'm out.